Okay, so now in this video we will add player to our game. So right here, if we open up this hero folder and then the hero idle, and right here we can simply drag and drop this right here. Let's just reset the transform of it, and quickly let's just rename this to layer. And right here inside the assets folder we will create a new folder by the name of animations, and inside this animations we will create another folder by the name of player animation. Now let's just open this player animation, and also you just click on this player, and right here we will change the layer to player, and now as you can see he is visible on the map. And right here we will tag this player with the player tag, and right here let's just attach the animator controller, and also let's just add the capsule collider 2D, and after this we need the rigid body 2D. Now right here inside the capsule collider, take this trigger box, and then right here set the gravity scale to 0 because we don't want the player to fall down. And also let's change this value, so let's change this one to minus 0.2. This one will be the same. Let's change the size x to 1.30, and let's change this y to 7, or let's make it 6. That's it. Now let's just quickly create the animation. So right here inside the player animation we will create a animator controller, and we will name this as player controller. And now click on this player and assign this controller right here. And right here if we click on this window, then this animation, in here we will open up the animation window and also the animator window. Now in the animation, first select this player controller, then click on this create, and right here our first animation will be the idle. So type the name right here, then click on save, and as you can see there is the animation. The next animation will be for the walk, so let's just type walk. Then the next one will be the death, so let's just name it as death, save it, then click on this again, create new clip and name this as shoot, click save. Now let's just select the idle, and now open up the hero folder and open up this hero idle. Just simply select all of the images, drag and drop this right here, and let me just move this window right here. Okay, now click on the scene and let's see. Okay, so it is really fast, so let's just change this value to 20. Okay, now this looks perfect. As you can see, every frame has now some space in it, and as you can see it is looking beautiful. Now after this the next one is the depth, so let's just select the depth right here, open up the depth folder, select all of the images and simply drag and drop this right here. Now if we play it, as you can see it is really fast, so let's just change this to 8. Okay, the death animation will be like this. As you can see it looks good. After the death, now let's just select the shoot and open up the shoot folder right here. We will select all of this, drag and drop it. If you play it, as you can see it is fast, so let's just change the sample to 20, or let's just change it to 15. Okay, 15 will be good. After this we have the walk, so let's select the walk, drag and drop it. Now let's just play it. Okay, change this to 20. Now the walk looks perfect. So now we have all of the animations now. As you can see, death, idle, shoot and walk. Also if we check the animator, window right here. Let me move these animations here. Now if you check it, as you can see, all of the animations are stored by the names. As you can see,